Supply may be defined as the quantity of goods and services which sellers are willing and able to offer for sale at a particular price and at a particular period of time. Supply does not mean the entire stock of a commodity in existence, or the total quantity of that commodity produced, but rather it means only the amount that is put into the market or offered for sale at a given price and at a particular period of time. Law of supply. The law of supply states that, all things being equal, the higher the price, the higher the quantity of a commodity that will be supplied, or the lower the price, the lower the quantity of the commodity that will be supplied. This law explains that when the price of commodity is high in the market, more quantity of that commodity will be supplied by the producer, and vice versa. Supply schedule and curve. A supply schedule is a table showing how much of a product a supplier is willing to sell at different prices. When we plot the supply schedule on a graph, we get a supply curve. The curve slopes upwards, showing that as prices rise, more is supplied. Types of supply. Complementary supply. This supply occurs when two or more commodities are produced and supplied from one source. Competitive supply. This supply occurs when many commodities are supplied for the satisfaction of a particular want. Composite supply. This supply occurs when a certain commodity can serve two or more purposes. Factors affecting supply. Price of the commodity. The higher the price of the commodity, the higher the quantity supplied, and vice versa. Cost of production. If the cost of producing a commodity falls, then more of that commodity could be supplied at the existing price. Technological development. An improvement in the level of technology will equate to improvement in the methods or techniques of production. Season. The prevailing seasons will influence the supply of a particular commodity. Government policies. Government policies such as subsidies, restriction on importation affect the supply of goods both in the long and short run. Expectation of future change in prices. The expectation of suppliers about the future of the prices of some goods may affect supply. Exceptional or abnormal supply. In abnormal supply situations, the usual law doesn't apply. Sometimes, higher prices lead to less supply. For example, producers may limit supply to avoid market crashes or due to seasonal shortages. Keep in mind that supply doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's affected by everything from technology to weather, and sometimes, it behaves unexpectedly.